Hello and welcome. Now in this video, we will set up the shared product feature in order to allow another vendor to sell our WarriorPlus product. And to do that, we're going to go inside of one of our products that are already set up. What we're then going to do is we're going to go inside of the product and edit it. And when you are looking inside of the product, you're going to see that there is an area here right above product access that says shared product. Now, if you don't see this area available to you, it could be because of the rating in your product profile. If you go inside of your product account and you click on My Account and you go to the account summary, you'll be able to click on that account summary. You will then be able to see a vendor score. Now, depending on what that score is, you will have availability to share your product to another person for them to use in their funnel. Now, assuming that you do have that rating, what we're going to do is click on for shared product. Now, the way that the process works is that you will make your product available for sale. Then the individual will be able to apply in order to promote the product. Now, there are going to be some required elements, and some of the elements are going to be optional. For example, you can put a sales page URL here. You can also put the JV details here, which will be helpful for the individual that is going to promote. Now, for the sake of this video, we are not going to place these optional items here. What you can also do is you can dictate the minimum score that an individual will need in order to see to promote your product and use it in their funnel. And you can write that minimum score here in this area. Now, for the sake of this video, we're not going to have a minimum score here. You can also dictate that the individual would have a minimum amount of sales revenue. Now again, we're not going to place a limit here, but you can and should do this if you are concerned about the nature of your product. What we're now going to do is we're going to click on for public. That means then that when we save this product again, the product will then be available inside of the shared products page. So we're now going to click Save. This now means that an individual on the WarriorPlus network can go to their menu. They can then go look at the menu of shared products that are going to be available. They'll then see a list of products that are going to be available to be shared. The product that you then listed will then be available, as you can see here in this area. What that individual can then do is to request that product to promote. And to do that, they will then click the Request button. On the right side panel, they will then see all of your information. They can then click Request Approval. That individual will then see an area where they can write in notes. They can then click Request the product. And if they click Request Product and they don't write in notes, they will be required to write in notes. They'll have to write in information to you. Well, then click Request Product. If you go back to your shared product menu and you come to this screen, you're going to see this green button that says Owner's Requests. And you'll then be able to click Pending where the individual has requested to promote your product. You'll then see the individual's notes. You will then need to write back specific notes, and you'll see here that this is going to be required. You'll then have the option of denying or approving this individual. Now, for the sake of this video, we are going to click Approve. And you'll then see that the individual has been approved. They can then begin promoting your product inside of their funnel. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.